Today we are unboxing this 6-pack of Marvel Studios LEGO Minifigures. So let's get cracking! Hello all my explorers, and welcome back to Loren's Adventures Out There. If you are new, thank you so much for joining us. My name is Loren, and I'm with Castles, Capes, and Clones, where we discuss everything in the Disney universe. We do unboxings and hauls, pins, pin tags, Disney news, Disney reviews, and more. So if that sounds like something interesting to you, we would love it if you would subscribe to our channel, hit that bell for notification, and do like this post, as it helps your favorite content creators know that you appreciate them, and we appreciate that. Alright, well, thanks to Geeking Out with Melly Mel, her Sunday show with McDork's Pop, I learned about these minifigures, and during the show, I went ahead and ordered these. By the way, I've said this before, but if you are not watching her Sunday show, you need to. If you are a collector of anything Disney or Harry Potter, it is the place to be. It's so good. It's my go-to show, and so I love it. So I will put a link to Melissa's YouTube channel above and below. Alright, well, let's get into this box. So this is a 6-pack that I got. I have no idea how they base this. Like, hopefully they're not doubles in the box. I'm just hoping that they are all individual boxes. I'm just gonna go ahead and open this like this. Alright. Okay, so right on top, or not on top, but they are stacked in a vertical manner. And these are the Marvel Studios minifigures. Now, these are all based on the Marvel Studios shows. So, WandaVision, Falcon the Winter Soldier, Loki, and What If so far. So, let's take a look and see what's in here. We don't know. It doesn't show us which figures there are, but by looking at this, you get a hint of what we could find in these bags. Alright, I'm going to go just snippy with this. And let's see who we got. It's looking like it's Spider-Man. And I think this is Spider-Man from the What If series, from the Zombies episode, where he's being the total hero. Let's go ahead and open this little baggie. And in a minute, you will see this whole thing assembled. So give me a minute. So I thought this was originally Spider-Man from the zombie episode, but it looks like it is a Spider-Man. What if Spider-Man were the Sorcerer Supreme? He's wearing the cloak, Dr. Strange's cloak. He's got his webbing there, And he does come with an alternate head, but it took me forever to put this cape and cowl on that there's no way that I'm going to change his head. No way. Okay, next, let's go ahead and take a look at what is in this package. And I'll give you my guess, and then I will come back to you with this thing assembled, so we can take a look at it together. Let's see. What do I think this is? It looks like Monica Rambeau. So, and I'm pretty confident in that. You have to make sure that all of the pieces are out of the bag. Otherwise, it becomes like, I didn't realize that Spider-Man had a cape. So, okay, I'll be right back with the assembled Monica Rambeau. Okay, this one almost killed me. This is Monica Rambeau with the helicopter. It took me forever to put that stupid helicopter together. But here we go. Monica Rambeau, she looks awesome. Okay. Next one we have up is this one. Let's see who it is. And I'll tell you if I can guess who it is. Okay. This looks like it is Falcon. Or no, this looks like it's Captain America Falcon. Or just Captain America, as we like to call him now. So, let's see. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, and this actually, I guess I'm getting used to making these, or this was easy to do. But this is Captain America, Falcon as Captain America. We have to get used to calling him Captain America, because that's who he is. He's not Falcon America, he's not Captain Falcon, he is Captain America. Okay, so next one we have, let's see. Ooh, this is Captain Carter, I can tell. So let me put her together and I will come back to show you. So there are no directions for how to put Captain Carter together. So I'm going to have to figure it out myself. Wish me luck. The reason why she didn't need directions was she's pretty straightforward. You know, she's got her shield and her hair and her head, body, and legs. And that's pretty much it for her. Alright. We've got 2 left. I'm hoping for Scarlet Witch in at least one of these. Alright, who is this gonna be? It's not Scarlet Witch, I can tell you. And this one was Sylvie. And she's got her horns on, her sword, and she comes with, wait for it, Alligator Loki. But he doesn't have the horns. I wish that they gave him the horns. Alright. One final pack in here. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at what we have inside. I'll tell you what I think it's going to be. Please be Scarlet Witch. Please. Please, I'll be your best friend if it's Scarlet Witch. Okay. Alright. And it's not going to be Scarlet Witch. I just don't know who it is yet. Oh, okay. It's going to be Star-Lord. Alright, I got Star-Lord. So I'll be right back. And the final one is Star-Lord. Oops. Let me put his mask correctly. There he is in all his glory. We all love Chadwick Boseman voicing him for the last time. So sad what happened to Chadwick Boseman. Anyway, this is a great way to honor him. And I'm glad that I got him as my last one. Even though I wanted Scarlet Witch, I'm glad to have gotten the King. So anyway, that is it for our unboxing today. I hope you had a good time. And if you did, we'd love it if you would subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell for notifications, and do like this post, as it really does help us out. Visit our website at www.castlescapesandclones.com. I went a little too fast. And also visit us on all of our socials below. Thanks for joining us, and we will see you later. Bye!